I'm addicted to cough syrup. I drink it. Matlock.
This is the way we do it.
Filipinos.
Africa.
Fuck, am I right, baby? The city of freaks. Can I apply for a job?
Ladies and gentlemen, I have some bad news. I did not get the job at Fruit Loops.